respected dignitaries on the days, off the days, heads of various departments, esteemed faculties, staffs, proud parents and fellow graduates, a very good evening to all of you gathered here. I am Dr. Madhura, and it's an immense privilege to stand before you today as the valedictorian. Here I quote the famous words of Dr. Bailey. Each day we are granted opportunity to make a difference in the lives of others, to alleviate suffering, and to bring healing where there's pain. It's a responsibility that we have carried with humility and gratitude throughout our career, knowing that the true measure of success lies not in our accolades or achievements, but in the lives we touch and hearts we heal. Today marks a significant milestone in our journey, the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment to the noble pursuit of medicine. As we gather here today to celebrate our graduation, we reflect not only on the countless hours spent in classrooms and hospitals, but also on the profound impact we are poised to make on the lives of others. When I think back, it felt as if I was destined to be a part of this institution. Little did I know I would make through this day. All that I can think of is 18-year-old me sitting in an engineering college at NITK where I think I didn't belong. Not being able to get a government seat in MBBS, feeling low about myself. But maybe it didn't let me down. Exactly a year later, I studied for NEET simultaneously when pursuing BDS to give a second attempt towards my dream, that is MBBS. Got into a medical college, finally, the Kanachur Institute of Medical Sciences. And this is how my journey in this college began. Well, this journey was quite extensive and fun, but was worth every single minute. It began with me fainting a million number of times in the anatomy dissection hall, redrawing histology diagrams just to get that nucleus in the proper place, pricking our fingers multiple times just to fill the pipettes of Neubar chamber, by hearting those biochemistry cycles just to forget them the next day. But the efforts were all worth it. If given a chance, I would definitely relive it again. Struggling not to drop the stains and mess up our aprons in the microbiology lab, spending nights memorizing the tongue-twisting cephalosporin classifications. It was indeed a roller coaster ride. The enthusiasm to attend surgeries and labor theaters just to catch a glimpse of the procedure, taking patients' history and presenting cases, and obviously doing plenty of errors. These are the things I miss the most. Like how a diamond undergoes an extensive process to become the gem it is, we have undergone extensive yet a memorable training. It seems like yesterday that we walked into this institution as strangers, unsure of what future held. But amidst the chaos of exams and posting, we have also found moments of joy, laughter, and celebration. Whether it's cheering our classmates at the annual flexes or dressing up for the events, the chai breaks that turned into impromptu gossip sessions, the shared meals that transformed into makeshift family dinners, and the late-night study sessions. But oh, how things have changed. Over the years, we have grown closer, bonded by shared experiences, laughter, and occasional dose of drama. From the nerve-wracking first day of orientation to the bittersweet moments of our last exams, we've been through it all together. Of course, none of this would have been possible without the tireless dedication of our professors and mentors whose wisdom and guidance have shaped us into the physicians who we are today. From legendary anatomy lecturers to learning practical techniques in surgery, their teaching will be forever etched in our hearts and minds. A heartful thank you extends to the teachers for their guidance, patience, and unwavering support have been a bedrock of our education. We also express our gratitude to the invaluable laboratory staff whose expertise and assistance have enriched our learning experiences. To the nursing staff who have shared their wisdom, tips, and tricks garnered from years of experience, we are immensely grateful. I extend my sincere gratitude to the management, Chairman Dr. Haji UK Monu sir, Director Dr. Abdul Rahman sir, and Dean Dr. UP Ratnakar sir for your support, vision that have propelled us into this momentous day. Your dedication to education has provided us with the resources and a conducive environment needed to thrive. Your support has been instrumental in our achievements, propelling us to excel in various state and district level competitions, surpassing even some of the most established institutions. A special thank you is also extended to the housekeeping and maintenance staff whose tireless efforts have ensured that our journey has been smooth and seamless. Your contributions have not gone unnoticed. To all those who have played a pivotal role, big or small, in shaping our medical education journey, we offer our deepest gratitude. Well, this speech is incomplete without me thanking my family and friends. Amma, Appa, Akka, you have always stood by my side, supported me for each and every tiny steps that I took. I'm sure I made you proud. Well, my friends, Pratiksha, Aishwarya, Pratvish, Shreyas, Renisha, Ishan, of course, meeting you was the best thing that happened to me in this college. We have celebrated each other's success, whether it's acing an exam or getting the experiments right or winning quizzes. We have stood by each other during the tough times, offering words of encouragement, a shoulder to lean on, or simply a listening ear. And through it all, we have gained friendship that will last a lifetime. Finally, we Troysians, as a batch, are pluripotent for sure. A batch filled with artists, dancers, singers, musicians, poets, and whatnot. A batch filled with enthusiastic people. A batch called the Troublemakers. A batch known by unbeatable unity where talents abound. A batch who were champions for 3 consecutive years. A batch who set a benchmark that can never be broken. A batch where no individual stands alone. This is who we are, the graduates of 2018 batch, Troysians. As we bid farewell to the familiar halls of our alma mater, let us carry with us the knowledge, skills, and values instilled in us by our esteemed institution. Let us be the beacons of hope and values. Let's be the agents of change and advocate for those in need. Congratulations to my fellow graduates on this remarkable achievement. May the journey ahead be filled with the purpose, fulfillment, and countless opportunities to make a positive impact on the world. Thank you all.